I'm going to show you how I can send crypto from MoonPay onto any wallet. So for example, on MoonPay here, I'm just going to go to the wallet section here. Now on the wallet section here, I'm going to pick which crypto I want to send. So for example, I want to send Bitcoin. Now once I tap on Bitcoin, I just want to tap on the three dots here. Now on the three dots here, I just want to tap on send. Now on send here, you need to pick on how much Bitcoin you want. For example, 10%, 15%, 75%, or just max. Now once you pick on that, you want to tap on continue. And then once after that, you'll be prompted to enter in your wallet address. So for example, if you want to send your Bitcoin right now into another wallet like Trust Wallet or Solana or any other wallet, Phantom Wallet, things like that, you will need to get that wallet address from that wallet. And then once you tap on here, you just have to enter in the wallet address. After that, you might need to do a couple of process like verification or things like that. But after that's done, you will review it and then it'll take a couple of business days to transfer, or it could be instant as well, depending on the network. But after all of that is done, then you'll be able to send the money or the Bitcoin from your wallet on MoonPay onto another wallet on another network.